We've had a very good experience with Webgility, and it's helped us to grow and to expand into the online offerings that we do these days. So, as she said, we're not super tech savvy, but we have a lot of good support that helps us along the way every day. And you guys seem to be there when we need you, and we appreciate that. Okay, well, I'm the owner president of Bond. Bond has been in the floor covering industry since, I guess, the 60s, making carpet binding equipment. Then we got into the carpet binding equipment, so now we do sales and supplies on that as well. We basically went from a narrow fabrics jobber into mostly floor covering stuff. Since 1947, we've been now in our third generation. I'm third generation, and integrated into having websites and online ordering and all that stuff. And then Webgility, I guess, is the go-between to help our website communicate with our QuickBooks program that we use, and it makes it pretty seamless.
My name is Pollyanna. Yeah, I'm the office manager, and I work with Webgility on a daily basis. We use it to, like Brian said, when we sell our binding products, we use it every day to help people who place their order online get it put into our QuickBooks system and get those orders processed and shipped out as soon as possible. So some of the challenges that we had were trying to get the orders that came through online properly entered into our QuickBooks system, and having those errors of, if you missed an item, if you got the wrong color or got the wrong address or something like that. So everything was done manually. So it took a lot of time. So the work effort that went into it, you spent a lot more time taking everything from the website and manually entering it into our QuickBooks system. It saved us a lot of time and mistakes. It really has been like a huge help with transitioning and getting things more correct and saving us time. Another thing I wanted to add was another challenge is when we do inventory, we used to have to, like price changes, we used to manually have to change them on our website. Now we can use Webgility that once they're changed in QuickBooks, we can use Webgility to automatically update our website and with both prices and inventory. So that saves us a lot of time and gets the count better on. You don't really miss anything that way. So that's super helpful too. With kind of like what I was saying earlier, it's super helpful, say, when we're training new people coming in to help them learn our products and not have to spend the time entering in and making the mistakes. It pulls through for us. It saves us time with both entering orders in, getting the inventory correct, like at the end of the month with reconciling and inventory adjustments, trying to get all our accounts correct, and just also like taking a look at our sales. We're a pretty small business in a way that Webgility is fitting all of our needs of helping us keep it running smoothly here.
Just say that, yes, it has saved us a lot of time, and it's made the integration with our other sites that we sell on a lot more seamless.
So with the support team, they've always been really helpful. Thankfully, almost every time I have a really good experience with them. Anytime I need to get a hold of them, I can easily get a hold of them. I just give them a call. Now with the email, that's super helpful because as office manager, I don't always have a quick second to give a call and be on the call for a while. I can go in and out of emails, and we have an account manager, which that makes it so nice because she instantly gets me connected to whether it's an IT person or just the right department of Webgility. When I call in, every time you guys help me fix it on the first phone call, or if it takes another phone call, it's just because we're working on a bigger issue that takes time to figure out. You guys are, thankfully it's been really good. Your support team is always right there to help and almost always seem to know what they're doing and what they're talking about to help you get the issue fixed right away. We lean into our customers a lot, asking them what they want, asking them what they need. Our first priority is 100% customer satisfaction, making them happy, making it work for them.
We strive for, a lot of good customer satisfaction, and the ease of the integration that we get from Webgility, I think, really just makes it pretty seamless and pretty stress-free for the most part, processing the orders and servicing our customers on a daily basis. So that's, basically what we're here for, and that's what keeps us in business. So overall, I just would say we've had a very good experience with Webgility, and it's helped us to grow and to expand into the online offerings that we do these days. So as she said, we're not super tech savvy, but we have a lot of good support that helps us along the way every day. And you guys seem to be there when we need you, and we appreciate that.